Driving a vehicle with a brake light not functioning is very dangerous. Replace the tail light and the brake light. It's very simple and straightforward. Here is the tail light. Here is the brake light. Here, white one is the backup light. The yellow one is the turn signal light. Brake light model is 7443. Tail light model is 194. I will put a link in the description below. Only tools you need is a Phillips screwdriver. There are 3 screws here to hold the brake light assembly and the tail light assembly. Take out the 3 screws. Wobble and push the brake light assembly and pop it out. You need to take off all these 3 connectors. There is a press this one. You can easily take off. So remember, you replace the brake light here. That's the brake light here. So turn counterclockwise for about 45 degrees and take out. That's the burned the bulb. Remove burned out halogen light and insert new LED light in. That's the new LED light. When you put it back, remember this, the slot have a 4 slot, but 1 slot is much bigger than the rest of the 3. So you can see here, they have this one much bigger. So you have in line with this, put it in, and then turn back here. So that's well tight. Next, I take out the tail light assembly because there is a 2-pin. Okay, I will show you this. So there's a 2 hole here. One is here. You can see there's a 2 pins here, and they will insert this 2 hole here. So you can use the same procedure to disconnect this and take out this, replace the bulb. That's a really straightforward. After you replace it, you put it back. Make sure there's a 2 pin in line with 2 holes here. After in line, give it a push. That's it. After you install the tail light assembly and put connectors back here, when you put it back, take a look. This pin here is supposed to be to go here. And then you see this clip here, this green one, is supposed to be to go here. So as long as you're in line with these 2 things, you are okay to put it back. After you clip in the brake assembly, and then put the screw back. I need to test it. Start engine, drive, and the brake to stop. If you want to know how to replace the halogen headlight with LED light, click this video. Thank you.